doing? I hope we're doing well. So, as you can see from yesterday, we had that massive buy into the upside, which we discussed from yesterday, and now we're having this retracement right here. And if you look at this, guys, where is our fractal structure? Right, we have our fractal low here, and then we have a high here. Now we're just retracing, so we need a break above this, guys, and then we could start looking for those further buys, as Euro USD still looks good for a buy, and because the dollar also is looking good for some further downside pressure from the support, as we have swept this liquidity. And if you look at on the daily, we broke that fractal structure yesterday, so the dollar is also looking good for some further shorts into the downside, so, and supported with the economic situation in the world at the moment, so we expect some downside on the dollar. Moving on to gold. Gold also has been retracing a little bit, although yesterday I was expecting some deeper retracement, but that never came, and that's better. So let's see if we can get at least a sweep of this liquidity, then a change of character, and then we start to push up again. So as you know, the plan still remains the same, the strategy still remains the same. You don't have to chase the market, it let it come to you. So moving on to silver also same game plan. We're looking to buy this. As you can see, also we're squeezing. Let me take out this. You can see we're squeezing into the highs, so you can see it right here, right? We're just having this squeezing price action, so you really want to you just want maybe a sweep of this low, and then we can look for that change of character, and then we look for a buy. And similar with AU, I'm still looking for more buys on this, as the game plan still remains the same. You can see from yesterday we swept this low, and now we had that change of character. Now we're retracing, so you can start looking for those further longs, and then we just stops beneath. So let's see how that wants to work out today. With GU, guys, this is our edge position for the short. Remember, as you can see, we swept this low, and then since then we haven't had that change of character yet. So if here's our fractal low, I would like to see a break beneath here, the weekly open. I'm not even, yeah, that's why I want to see proper supply coming into the market, then that would signify that maybe we're ready to go short again, as that would be an edge position against the dollar, against EU longs. And it's similar to this also with NU. I'm still, if I get deeper retracement, that would be nice, as we have this ascending lows that I would like to see us take out the extreme one also that we left behind. But if we start to break more, like if we see a double fractal structure break above here, then I would be more interested in those longs on NU, as it didn't connect with my area of demand. With USD JPY, guys, I mean, the Japanese the yen basket is quite weak, so looking for those shorts is a bit risky, but also, like, I'm still expecting some shorts into play to come into play, because I expect further downside on the dollar, and at some point I expect the Japanese government to step in and sort of save the yen for quite a short period of time. So let's see what wants to happen on this pair. And similar with the US 30, guys, you can see we've swept here. So for today, I'm expecting some downward momentum at least, so that we can take out this ascending lows, so probably connect with this area of demand, and then when we see that change of character, we can look for those buys again. But also keep in mind that we can start pushing off from here, and if it does, just let it go. It's not according to our strategy, then we just wait for our demand here, or even this whole sell before the buy then can become our new demand level, and then from there we start to push up. Okay, guys, and with oil, guys, I was just staying away from this at the moment. So that's all we have time for today. I wish you a wonderful day. Thank you for